on in. We're at 714 Hill Street in Capitola. This is a darling little 3-2 property. I'm going to turn the camera around. So here we are in the living room. Beautiful gleaming hardwood floor throughout all the bedrooms and the dining area. This kitchen has tile, really well done and laid out. And here from the kitchen area, this is a double two-car garage detached, and this nice little patio area that you can sit outside. And here's a nice window from the garage. Hello. And on the side of this detached garage, there's a space, and this space is sort of a pie-shaped triangular lot. It's over 5,000 square foot lot. Look at this nice lime tree. Oh. But yeah, see all the space back behind here. You can add an addition or build an ADU. So we're back in the house, and we're going into the first bedroom. Lots of light, hardwood floor, the second bedroom, and the third. Wait to see you, and bring your questions. And I'd love to show you around in Capitola. This is my hometown, and I think you will love it. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.